we're going to make you guess how much you think this hamper is worth. So we've got lots of items in here, Labubus, clickers. What else have we got? We've got plant pots. This is a fidget axolotl. I think I've said that right. And what else have we got? Another plant pot. This one's got an inside compartment though, so it's extra cool. And now's the time to make your guesses in the comments. So these are our options of which prices it could be. I don't know, guess. The answer is £25. The cheapest option. Let us know if you got it right.